Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all, ladies and gentlemen, at the third Borobudur International Symposium. Here I will present presentation about attachment to God and students' psychological well-being. I am Fitri Ayu Kusumaningrum, and my colleagues Zaimah Lutfia Ningrum from the Psychology Department, Islamic University of Indonesia. Let me show the screen of my PowerPoint. Introduction. Undergraduates tend to have poor emotional stability with the percentage of 51% and 47.2% respectively. Study of Fajr R. and Dermawanti 2015 show that Muslim students have low psychological well-being, specifically in the aspect of environmental control. Several demands faced by these students affect them to be in a state of psychological well-being. Poor emotional stability causes undergraduates to have low self-confidence, be dependent, have difficulty in dealing with other people, have uncertain goals, and be unable to develop themselves, have low optimism, prone to stress and anxiety, use dysfunctional coping strategies, having money shortcomings, are unhappy, dissatisfied with life, have low academic grades, decreased learning interest, and have a desire to commit suicide. Based on interview, the two subjects explained that students were not satisfied with their current life and feel disappointed, as well as having low self-acceptance. Also, they find it difficult to associate with others, uneasy to make positive relationship with people, and unable to perform their roles and responsibilities because of the low mastery environment. Students' life experiences that were not sufficient and far from expectation are part of poor personal development in society. Furthermore, subject V show that female undergraduates are dependent, show low autonomy, and have not yet determined their goals. Several factors, including external, internal, and demographic, affect psychological well-being. Meanwhile, external factors are peer attachment, social support, and attachment to parents. Internal factors are self-efficacy, optimism, toughness, and attachment to God. However, demographic factors are age, gender, and socio-economic status. This study focused on attachment to God as one of the internal factors affecting psychological well-being. Yildiz show that attachment to God is a belief to be in a safe place while under threat because it becomes the basic for individuals in living life's challenges. This is in line with study of Refahi et al. That attachment to God is positively correlated with psychological well-being. Brotzel and Kahn indicate that attachment to God contributes to good emotional stability because it is associated with increased optimism and self-esteem. Also, Lehman et al. Show that a safe attachment to God is positively correlated with psychological well-being. Research on attachment to God and psychological well-being has been carried out by several other researchers, but in the context of Muslim students, it has never been studied. This study aims to examine the relationship of attachment to God and psychological well-being among undergraduate students. Methods: dependent variable is the psychological well-being, and independent variable is attachment to God. Respondents are 244 male and female Muslim Students aged range 18 to 25 years at the university were selected as a participant for this study. Respondents were asked to fill out questionnaire using the self-report method through Google Form media. Hypothesis testing using person-product moment correlation technique by using SPSS program version 18 for Windows. Psychological well-being. In this research, we use short 18-item scale of psychological well-being consisting of 10 favorable and 8 unfavorable items developed by Reeve, and the Cronbach alpha value of 0.72. Attachment to God. In this research, we use Muslim spiritual attachment scale by Yildiz. The scale consists of 3 factors, including positive closeness and good model, positive self-model, as well as separation protest, and the Cronbach alpha value of 0.867. Results in this, based on the table above, respondent with the highest percentage of psychological well-being in the moderate category for 41%. And this categorization of attachment to God, based on the table above, respondent with the highest percentage of attachment to God in the moderate category also for 41%. And this is a hypothesis test result, and there is a significant positive relationship on attachment to God and psychological well-being. In the R value is 0.3 to 5, and in the hypothesis is significant. This is an intercorrelation between aspect of attachment to God and psychological well-being. All aspect or factor of attachment to God have a significant positive relation with psychological well-being. Discussion. The study aimed to determine the relationship between attachment to God and student psychological well-being. The hypothesis is accepted because there is a positive relationship between attachment to God and emotional stability with R equal 0.325 and P 0.0. Therefore, students with an increased attachment to God have high psychological well-being and vice versa. These results were in line with study of Refahi et al. That attachment to God is positively correlated with emotional stability in each of its aspect or factor. According to the psychological well-being categorization, the subjects were included in the moderate category, indicating that students had fairly good abilities and on self-acceptance, establishing positive relationship with others, autonomy, environmental mastery, and determining a purposeful life as well as self-development. The correlation of the two variables show a significant value because the attachment to God contributes 10.6% to psychological well-being, and while the remaining 89.4% were affected by other factors outside of the study. This is aligned with study of Refahi et al. That attachment to God affects psychological well-being. Additional analyses performed on male and female students show different tests on gender, age, and socioeconomic status, as well as intercorrelation tests on attachment to God and psychological well-being. Meanwhile, the correlation test for each gender showed that attachment to God was not correlated with psychological well-being, while the different tests yield a significance value of 0.966. The mean value is in line with the study of Izzati and Mulyana that female subjects had higher emotional stability than males. Based on the age, the significant value is 0.748 because there was no difference between participant age from 18 to 25 years. However, the mean value shows that at 25-year-old had higher psychological well-being compared to others. These results have similarities with study of Fitri et al. That increasing age in individual affect good emotional stability. Furthermore, the different tests on parental income show no significant differences because the significant value was 0.226, the mean value with parental income. This is an aligned study with EVA that Indonesia economic conditions are not the main factor in achieving students' emotional stability. The intercorrelation test on the two variables show that attachment to God is significantly correlated with psychological well-being. However, some aspects including life goals, psychological well-being, and attachment to God have significant correlation result. The life goals are not correlated with closeness and a positive good model of 0.427, positive self-model at 0.66, and inspiration protest of 0.446. Also, psychological well-being has no positive relationship with self-acceptance of 0.433 and others at 0.142. The aspect of attachment to God is not correlated with others and at 0.067 and environmental mastery at 0.096. Meanwhile, the correlation analysis of attachment to God on psychological well-being showed that the highest positive relationship is the closeness and the positive God model with R 0.288 and P 0.0 values. This is in line with study Bradshaw and Kent that making good a buffer base and a place of reviews will individuals experience problems tends to increase emotional stability. That a positive self-model is in individual perception and relationship with God. People need to be anxious about being close to God because the inconsistent perception affect their psychological well-being. This is separation protest was the lowest aspect because it was very little correlation with psychological well-being. Individuals understand God is close and merciful, but they feel anxious and afraid to be left behind considering their sins. However, this study needs social desirability because the questions are not answered based on the normal rules. The Muslim spiritual attachment scale also needs to be examined more in terms of its suitability with the participant in Indonesia. Moreover, it is difficult in finding references and journals that support theory because there are few explanations on attachment to God in Islam. Conclusion, this study results show that there is a positive relationship between attachment to God and psychological well-being. The increase in attachment to God helps the development students' emotional stability and vice versa. Therefore, the hypothesis is accepted. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.